everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Melanie and I predominantly do food hauls. So today I have an unboxing of a Marks and Spencer's food box. It is the healthy eating ready meal thing. I can't remember the name. I think it's the Count On Us range and I think there's 7 or 8 meals in here. I think it was £30 plus delivery. So it arrived today, which is the 24th. So they dispatched it the day before to arrive today. It is a perishable box, but everything is chilled inside. I have had a quick look inside. So it comes like I've just shown you. At the top there was this piece of paper which basically tells you all the meals that are in here, and that the outer packaging is recyclable and that there's ice packs in here. So at the top is this like paper, but it's insulated. I think it's got wool or something inside, I'm not sure. Then there is a card, then bubble wrap, then a couple of ice packs which are still pretty frozen, so even if this didn't turn up at 3 in the afternoon like it did, it could have lasted several more hours. So I'm going to show you what meals I got. So every box is the same, but obviously if they don't have a particular meal in stock, they will substitute it with something as similar as possible. But I think I've got everything. Well, the list said I had everything that was advertised. So the first thing is the sausages and cold cannon mash with onion gravy, carrots and peas, and it's 304 calories. The next item is cottage pie, which is 352. You can obviously put things with it, other vegetables to bulk it out a little bit. I mean, some of you might just be happy with this on its own. And these do feel quite frozen, even though they're meant to be fresh. And this is a fish pie with responsibly sourced pollock, prawns and salmon. And that's 320 calories. I've just knocked them all on the floor. Right. Then another piece of card and another piece of bubble wrap. Then we have some more of these. Now I've had a few boxes with these in, and I've got a couple, I've kept a couple, but I'm not going to keep these ones because I literally don't have anywhere to put them. Then we have, I need to swap hands, a haddock money with reasonably sourced haddock, and that's 323 calories. The next item is some braised steak with root vegetable crush, which is 243 calories. You can always put things with them, as I said, and I probably will. Chicken and mushroom pie with bacon and topped with buttery chive mash, and that is 295 calories. Some more cardboard and bubble wrap, so it is very well packaged. And then we're on the final two. So this is chicken mini fillets in gravy with buttery mash, carrots and peas, 308 calories. And then the final meal in here is the chicken and mushroom and red wine sauce with cabbage and spring onion mash for 312 calories. And at the bottom, as you can see, there's more frozen ice packs, bubble wrap, etc. So it's well packed, it's well protected, it's very cold, so your food's not going to go cold, it's going to stay fresh. And, you know, this was made up last night and dispatched, so, you know, it's probably been frozen for the last 24 hours maybe. So I'm really happy with it. I think 2 of the meals I'm not going to eat personally because they're not my type of thing. But other than that, I'm really happy with what I've got. I'm really excited to try the meals. I have had a few Marks and Spencer's boxes. I've had 2 of the fruit boxes. I've had the mixed fruit salad and vegetable box. And I think I've had the seasonal vegetable box as well. So they do another ready meal one, which is just normal ready meals. This is the healthy version. I think you get 9 products in that, and it's a little bit more money. So I think maybe if I don't go to the shop anytime soon, I may get that one. I think I would prefer just to go to the shop and buy what I really want. But I do like the convenience of these, and I like that I don't have to go to the shop to get them, and it's a good way to try new things because some of these I may never have picked up in the shop even if I was in the shop. So I like that about these boxes. everything I've had so far has been of the highest quality. It's tasted good, and yeah, I can't wait to try these. If you want to know if I like them or not, leave a comment down below. This video is going to go up whilst I'm eating these, so I might only be a few days into eating them, so I might not know if I like them all, but if you do want to know, I will be able to comment at some point to let you know what I think about them. But that is everything. I hope everyone's doing okay, and I'll be back at some point with another food related video, I'm sure. If you're new to my channel, it'd make my day if you could subscribe, and also don't forget to hit the bell notification to get an alert every time I upload a similar video. And yeah, thank you for watching. Have a great day.